Hey everyone, Lewis here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source from TopCashBack website. So this website is I'm sorry. So before I start my video, I'm sorry. If you guys can do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys are getting any value from my channel, and that way other people can also see my stuff and get value from all my trainings, right? So with that being said, again, I'm doing a video on TopCashBack website and how to source from this website. So if you guys don't know what this website is, TopCashBack is um, a cashback website. So if you guys don't know what cashback websites are, so these are websites that give you an additional cashback from your purchases, right? So for example, for this one, if you guys shop from Macy's, you guys are getting up to 10% cash back on your purchase. So, for example, if you guys bought $100, I don't know, pajamas, right? From Macy's, you guys are getting a $10 discount from your purchase. So, and we use websites like this for our Amazon business because it gives us another way to make money, right? So, I'll pick an example. So, for example, VitaCost is a popular supplier that we use for Amazon. So, I'm picking this because VitaCost is currently giving up to 10% cashback. So here it's saying, or here it's saying get up to 9% cashback. So click there. It's taking a while to load. Okay, so now that you're here on this website, you're getting a 9% cashback from your purchases on this website, right? So now what we do is we pick a product and then we would do a reverse search on Amazon. So I'm just gonna pick a random product, this one. So Bob's Red Mill Artisan Bread Flour. So you pick that product, right? And then what you do is you copy the title and then you do a reverse search on Amazon. So you go to Amazon.com and then you search this exact same product on Amazon. I think it's right there. And then you open this up. And then you run your data, right? You run your numbers. So for this example, I don't think the data matches, or even the products. I don't think. I think it's this exact same product or similar, but the problem is the numbers, right? So on VitaCost, this product is $5, and on Amazon it's $6. So it's not really profitable, but I'm only doing this video for example purposes. So again, you start with a website like TopCashBack, right? Start here, and then you pick a store that you like. So for this example, you click on VitaCost, and then from there you go to VitaCost, and then on VitaCost you pick a product. So pick any product that you like, and then you do a reverse search on Amazon, right? So this is the product, and then you find the exact same product on Amazon, and then you run the numbers. And if the numbers are good, you buy the product, and then that can be a product for your Amazon store, right? So let me pick another example. Close these tabs real quick. Let's see, what is a good one? So let's go to categories. Here, let's go to the homepage. Oh, Sephora, okay. So here, Home Depot is giving up to 12%. So I would go to Home Depot and then click on get up to 12% cash back. Wow, it's taking forever to load. What's happening here? So right there is loading. It's taking a while, guys. I'm sorry. Come on, internet. And then now you're here on HomeDepot.com, right? So you pick a random product. So for example, this one. And then what you do is you do a reverse search on Amazon. So you copy the title, right, from HomeDepot.com or from the product. You go to Amazon. Oh, sorry, what happened there? Sorry, I'm gonna do it again. So copy the title, and then search for the product on Amazon. I don't see it here though, to be honest. So yeah, I don't see it here. But I'm just doing this video just for example purposes. So you start with TopCashBack.com, and then you pick a retailer like HomeDepot.com, and then from here you can go pick products. So for example, this Husky headlamp, right? And then you copy the title. You go to Amazon and search for the exact same product. And if you find it, you run the numbers. If the numbers make sense, you buy it. And now when you buy it, you're going to be making a percentage, right? Extra percentage from TopCashback.com. So for every $100 that you buy from the Home Depot, you're going to be getting about $12 back on top of your profit, by the way. So I'm just gonna make up some numbers, right? So for example, on this product, you're making, let's say, like 20% ROI, right, on your money profit. So you're gonna be making 20% profit from your purchase here, and then you're getting another 12% cashback from this cashback website. So now your ROI is gonna jump from 20% to 32% because of this cashback from this website. So that's how we stack your margins, guys. So you make profits from the price difference from different websites compared to Amazon. You make another margin from retail websites, or I'm sorry, from cashback websites like Top Cashback. And then if you want to take it to another step, you can also get some cashback from your credit cards that you use, right? So for example, Capital One Spark has 2% cashback on all your purchases. So that's how we stack it. And I hope that makes sense. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And if you did, again, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that way other people can see my videos and they can learn what you just learned today, right? So with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.